So in this video, we are going to see how we can update a plugins from our WordPress website. It could be a free plugins that comes from WordPress repository, or even it could if it comes from a third-party website, or maybe it's a commercial plugin. So let's start how we can do this as a free plugin, which we install it from the WordPress repository. So suppose we are having the WP mail logging. So if we are going to delete this one or going to update this one, what will exactly happen? So suppose it has a or it might be generate a critical error on our website, so we are not able to access the free plugin, or we don't have actually the access of our dashboard. So at this moment, how we can figure out this? So when you don't have any access, maybe it could be for critical error, or it could be bugs that comes from the outdated version of a free plugins. So at first you will have to access your cPanel, because you might not be able to access your WordPress dashboard. So you can access your file manager from cPanel, or you can access your website from your files from your SFTP or FTP. So I'm going to use the FTP. So let me share. So this is my FTP access for this. So I'm going to access my FTP. So it's a transmit that is a paid software, but you can use any free software. It could be FileZilla, it could be any software you prefer. So just use it. Then I will have to go to the WP content folder, where I will find the themes and plugins. So if the issue is caused by a plugin, we will go to the plugins folder, and maybe the WP mail logging is creating the issue, so we are unable to access our dashboard. So at first we will have to find this plugin. So this is the plugin folder. We can rename this. So if you just rename this to something else like PK, that means backup, so this plugin will be stay here, but it will be deactivated. So look at this, and let's reload the page. So you see this is go to the all the way to the bottom. So it's available, but it's deactivated. So this is how we can quickly inactive a plugin or deactivate a plugin. Then we can get back our access to the website. Now we can just delete this one and install a fresh copy of this plugin. So just delete this one, and now we can add this plugin from our WordPress repository. So this is the one we have just deleted and now activated. So let's go back to the this plugins. So if you go to the settings and go to the mail log, you found all the emails log is here. That means nothing has been deleted, because all the configuration, all the plugin settings already have been set to the WordPress database. So you have nothing to lose, and don't worry about this. So this is how you can handle the free themes or plugins. And the same thing, it will be happen for a theme. So if you have a theme that may be creating an issue, so let's go back to our themes folder. So suppose GeneratePress is causing issue on the website, so we can simply just to deactivate this, just rename this. So like backup. This time you will found there is a skeleton or the state army themes is activated. So let's reload. So you see, because WordPress cannot just deactivate and replace or active another themes for you, so it will just give you a quick access to logged in your dashboard. So now you can enable any themes from there. So you can go with the default one. Now you can download the latest version of this theme. So then it will be replaced by this one, and just active the latest version. This way you can avoid the critical error or some errors that might be generated by your theme. So let's rename back. So this plugin themes is not bad. So you can get back to the original version. So it's done. So now I can just active the parent theme. But if this is a paid theme, how we can do this? So it could be Divi, or it could be anything. So just if I have Divi, but it's generated error who is prevent me to access the website, I will go back here, just rename, or just I can add a dot before the folder, so it will be hide the folder completely from the website. This way I will not be able to delete this theme from the dashboard. Sometimes it might be required, but for now I am going with the bigger, or just let me show you how the things will be happen. So I'll just deactivate. So it's gone, because sometimes when you are going to delete the themes from the file manager or the SFTP, it will take much time to delete one by one all the files and delete the complete folder. So this way you can just comment it out, so it will be deleted, and you can now upload your latest version of Divi, or just go back here, add a new theme, and upload a theme. So I have a latest version of Divi on my computer, so I'm just going to upload. So it could be take a few seconds, and it totally depends on your internet speed. So it will give this type of message. So you can just click to activate it, or just if you go back to the themes folder, you will find the latest version of Divi is available here. So you can just active from there. But if the Divi was outdated, so let's make the let's change the version of this theme, so make it outdated. So we can also see how we can edit a outdated theme. So let's give a refresh. See, you will found two Divi folder. One is .divi, that means it's the hidden. So you can just delete this, but it will take much time, so we are not going to delete this. But you can make it like Divi old or something like that. But okay, leave it as it is now. Just we are going to access the latest version of Divi, and from the style.css we are going to just to make a quick changes. So the theme will be looks like outdated, but actually it's the latest version. Then we can upload our latest version of theme to replace it. So this is the theme, so let's make it a very outdated version of the older version of Divi. So okay, it's done. So if you come back here and reload, you will see it's outdated, and even the update notification might not be shown, because the outdated theme sometimes it's not displaying the update notification. So now we can add a new theme. So upload the theme as like before. So drag the divi.gif file, or you can just choose file from here. Now it will upload again and give you a notice that you already have this folder exist. So would you like to update? And this is the version you have right now, and this is the uploaded version. So you can just compare from there. So we are happy to proceed. So just click to replace and active the uploaded theme. This way it will replace the complete folder of the outdated theme, and you can just click to activate it from here. So it's activated now. And the same thing will happen when you would like to upload a commercial plugins. So if you have the same way, if a commercial plugin or free plugin preventing you by generating some error code, so you are unable to access your dashboard, you could just add a dot before the plugins folder, so it will be hidden. And you can upload it, then you will get back the access of your dashboard. Now you can come back and upload the latest version of the plugin, or if you would like to just update your outdated version of the same plugin, you can just come back, and if the update notification is not appear, you can just click here to update. So it will give you that you are uploading Gravity Forms, the version you already have, this one, and then latest version you just uploaded, this one. And sometimes you might be found that which WordPress version is required, and which PHP version also is supported. So if everything looks fine, just click to replace the current with uploaded. So it will replace all old plugin with the new one. So now you will have the latest version of the plugin. So you see the update notification has gone. So this is the how you can upload or upgrade or even comment out an existing plugin to get back your access of the dashboard or update a very outdated version of the plugin. So thanks for watching the video. See you on the next time.